The LooSeal ELITE. The revolutionary foil sealing technology offers the freedom campers desire. Without water and without chemicals. Hygienic, sustainable, simple. With our maintenance-free solution, you'll only use fresh water for more important things. At the push of a button, everything is securely and airtightly sealed. The bags are easily disposed of in residual waste. Even tight niches are no problem thanks to the swiveling toilet head. The LooSeal ELITE is waterproof and can be installed in wet rooms without concern. Thanks to the integrated battery, the toilet can be freely placed and used independently. For everyone who loves freedom,